Oh my god, it's really bad. Oh my god, dude. It smells like Skylar.
Not even, dude.
Ew.
It's close to him, but not
Oh my god, dude,
as
it
bad
smells
as
like
Skylar.
straight. Oh my, wow.
I'm afraid to breathe in because I don't want that taste in my mouth.
It'll taste like chocolate.
Oh fuck, yeah, fucking rotten chocolate.
It's fucking old people ass.
Ew, no wonder it stinks so bad.
Is that really what it is?
It's the fucking old people shit over there.
Guys, clean your asses better. Ew, so nasty. So nasty.
Gotta love living across the street from that. It's fucking,
Okay, why are you messaging me?
I'd... Is too crack, isn't it? It's too crack, isn't it? What the fuck is these niggas?
Fag, fag, and super fag.
Fag.
My penis